Ever wondered why nutrient recycling is so vital in nature? Well, it's the unsung hero of our natural world, maintaining the balance of life as we know it. It's a fascinating process that's as complex as it is beautiful. Nutrient recycling, also known as nutrient cycling, is the process through which nutrients move from the physical environment into living organisms and then back again. It's a never-ending cycle, a dance of life that ensures the well-being of our planet. To envision this, picture a forest. The trees stand tall, their leaves lush and green. These trees, like all living things, need nutrients to grow. They get these nutrients from the soil through their roots. Now imagine a leaf falling from one of those trees. Over time, it decomposes and becomes part of the soil. The nutrients it once carried are now available for other plants to use. This is nutrient recycling in action. The process begins when plants absorb nutrients from the soil. These nutrients, including elements like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, aid in plant growth and development. The plants then use these nutrients to create food through photosynthesis. When animals eat these plants, the nutrients pass into their bodies, helping them to grow and thrive. Subsequently, when these plants and animals die, their bodies decompose. This decomposition is a crucial part of the nutrient cycle. As the bodies break down, the nutrients they once held are released back into the environment, enriching the soil once more. These nutrients are then ready to be taken up by new plants, and the cycle begins anew. Decomposition is facilitated by various organisms, including bacteria, fungi, and earthworms. These decomposers break down organic material, turning it into nutrient-rich soil. They are the unsung heroes of nutrient recycling, playing a vital role in maintaining the health and vitality of our ecosystems. In this way, nutrient recycling connects all living things. It's a chain of give and take that sustains life on Earth. From the tallest tree to the smallest microbe, every organism plays a part in this grand cycle. Let's not forget about plants' roots, which also contribute to soil health. As they grow and expand, they exert pressure on the surrounding soil particles, changing soil properties and enhancing its ability to hold water and nutrients. When these roots decay, they add organic matter to the soil, further enriching it. In summary, nutrient recycling is a continuous process where nutrients move from the environment into living organisms and then back again. It involves plant absorption, animal consumption, decomposition, and the transformation of soil properties by plant roots. It's a beautiful dance of life, a cycle of give and take that connects all living things and sustains life on our planet. So next time you see a leaf fall from a tree, remember, it's not just a leaf. It's a participant in the grand cycle of life, playing its part in the vital process.
You need to watch this if you think soil is just dirt. It's way more alive than you might think. Soil organisms, also known as soil biota or edaphon, are the unsung heroes of our ecosystem. These tiny life forms, ranging from microscopic bacteria to earthworms, spend a significant part of their lives in soil or the soil-litter interface. They're classified into two main groups: soil flora and soil fauna. Soil flora includes plants, algae and fungi, while soil fauna encompasses animals like insects, worms and tiny creatures like mites. Whether temporary or permanent residents, these organisms can be found in all types of soil. And they're not just hanging out, they play crucial roles in soil processes, like nutrient cycling and decomposition. So next time you step outside, remember, you're walking over a bustling city of life. Fascinating, right? Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders beneath your feet.
Ever wondered what's happening beneath your feet? Today, I'm diving into the secret life of plant roots and their amazing world in the soil. Roots are like the unsung heroes of the plant world. They're hidden, but they're always hard at work. Think of them as the plant's underground network, doing everything from anchoring the plant to absorbing water and nutrients. But there's so much more to them than just that. First off, let's talk about the root system. There are two main types: tap roots and fibrous roots. Tap roots are like the main highway, with one thick central root going deep into the soil. Think carrots or dandelions. They're perfect for reaching water deep underground. On the other hand, fibrous roots are like a tangled web, spreading out right under the surface. Grasses are a great example. These roots are excellent at preventing soil erosion. Roots have this incredible ability called root hairs. These tiny extensions increase the root's surface area, making it super efficient at soaking up water and nutrients. Imagine having thousands of tiny straws helping you drink a milkshake. But roots don't just take from the soil, they give back too. They release compounds that attract beneficial microorganisms like bacteria and fungi. These little helpers break down organic matter, turning it into nutrients that the plant can absorb. It's a win-win situation. And get this, roots can even communicate with each other. Through a network known as the Wood Wide Web, roots can send signals to neighbouring plants. They can warn about pests, share nutrients, or even compete for resources. It's like a social network, but for plants. So, next time you're walking through a garden or a park, take a moment to think about the incredible work happening just below the surface. Plant roots might be hidden, but they're definitely not forgotten. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this dive into the secret life of plant roots, hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome science content.